let's continue on with our copter down sound, and let's see what we've got here. So we've got a falling, kind of a pitch fall sound, and that pitch fall is being largely controlled here where it's the mod envelope, and I'm controlling the pitch of oscillator 1 to make that sound sweep down over a long period of time. That's not pitch bend, but the modulation 1 envelope. So our goal here is to use the filter, automate this, also automate this, and also automate this. So we're going to be automating the rate of LFO1, the amount of LFO2, and the filter cutoff to get that kind of helicopter sound that you just heard us go through as we change the parameters there. Okay? Let's go ahead and program that in. So let's go back here to our plugin window and automation. And we will find, first let's find filter. Oh, there we go. Subtractor filter frequency. So it had the name of the patch right there instead of just saying filter frequency or frequency as it had in the previous ones. Okay, so glad we saw that. Okay, add that. Now let's see what we can find there. We've got that. Let's look for something that says LFO1 rate. There we go. And let's go for LFO2 amount. There we go there. All right, so we've got our 3 parameters selected. Good to go. Scoot that out of the way. Let's go ahead and go here to filter frequency. We'll do that one first. And let's go ahead and get out our other windows. So let's go ahead and get out LFO1 rate. And I just hit the plus arrow there. Let's go ahead and get out LFO2 amount. So we've got all those. Let's make some room in our window here. That one a little bit bigger. That one a little bit bigger, and there we are. And let's see, take a look at our guide here. And this is what we'll be doing. So we'll be doing the filter frequency cutoff about halfway down, just slowing down our rate on our LFO just a little for the descent, and even a little bit, actually quite a bit more from full to none on our LFO2 amount. Okay, so let's go ahead and pencil that in. Here we go. Alrighty, pencil tool, line tool, right there. There we go. All right, so we're going from the top just to a little bit below the note there, so we can kind of use that as a guide. All right. So we'll just go there. Try that, see how that works. Okay, good. Now let's do our second one. So here, we're going to have to put this all the way to the top to start with. There we go. So I just use the grabber tool to move that up. And now I'll just pencil that down just a little there. And now, grabber tool again. I need to raise that all the way up there. Okay. And then pencil tool to take that all the way to the bottom. Okay. So let's go ahead and hit play, and let's see what happens in Subtractor. And you can see your rate controls and your amount controls move there. Let's do it one more time. There, there, and there. Okay, so we've got our copter sound. All right, let's finish up with our diver sound. Let's go ahead and make some room for ourselves here, and I'll do a little bit of housekeeping. Tidy that up, and let's go ahead and, tidy that up as well. Scoot that up, there we go. Okay, good. All right, finally pitch bend with the diver. All right, this one's all set up to go, so we just go back and see what we've got here. Let's put that in solo and bring up our Reason Rack plug. So let me scoot that over, there we go. And we've just got a subtractor in here, and it's set to a 2-octave range, 24 semitones, and we're going to be sweeping the pitch bend all the way from the top all the way to the bottom over the course of that single note. So let's go ahead and really easy here. Just go select pitch bend for our automation source. And we'll go ahead. I'll start with the grabber tool and push that all the way up to the top right there. And command right bracket to zoom out just a little bit. Give myself some drawing room. And just across that note right there. And let's hear what we've got. There we go. All right, so we've got all our sounds going. So let's go ahead and see how we did. I'm going to hold down the Option key and resize all my tracks so I can see them all. And I'm going to, there we go. Everything's out of solo. My drums are there. Let's hear how we did. All right, not bad. I heard a little bit of a glitch right here. Let's check that again. Let's just go in there. Okay, let me go ahead and take a look at that and see what we did wrong. So, might have been before the note. Let me just redraw that in. There we go. I just didn't get in front of the note as much as I needed to. All right, so just always trying to do our best work possible. Great. All right, so we're ready to save and turn in. So Command S to save. Command Q to quit. There we go. And of course, the final step before turning in, of course, is just to go ahead and click on your folder, right click, and compress. And of course, make sure you do your naming of your Pro Tools project file or project folder and your source session before turning anything in. But no need to save anything else. Just save your session, close, quit, turn it in, and you're good to go. All right, have fun.